This is a simple strategy given to us by ChatGPT, and apparently we're gonna try to see if we can turn our $100 with $10,000 to with this strategy. So let's give it a try and see if it works or not. All right, cool. So the first rule of the strategy is to look for buys whenever price is below our green EMA, and look for sells when price is below. All right, now let's get started. So rule of thumb is we're going to use our fib. These are the levels I'm going to be using: 786, 618, and 382. You're going to be using primarily those levels. All right, so now that price is below our EMA, we're going to draw our EMA, our fib from the top to the low right there, and whichever level it bounces off of, that's the level we're going to trade. All right, great. You can see it bounced on our 618. This is my strongest level on the fib. I love it. I'm gonna take a sell here. It's a nice bounce. Stop loss up there. First trade win. All right, cool. That's nice. So whenever it breaks the low, we're gonna take a trade. This low was broken, so therefore we're gonna take another trade. Draw a fib from the low to the high, and as you can see, this zone over here is respected, and it eventually started to drop right here. So we're gonna take a sell. Stop loss there. Take profit up there. All right, cool. Let's go back in time and test it even furthermore. All right, cool. Let's start somewhere here. As you can see, prices, well, let's start from here. Prices above our EMA right here. You're gonna draw from here to here. As you can see, price did not really respect any of our levels, so we're gonna skip that one. Price is below our EMA. From top to high, there really is no level to draw it to. Yep, there is no level to draw it to, so we're gonna skip that one. See, price is now above our EMA. We're gonna draw from the low to the high. There really isn't anything. Draw from here to here. All right, cool. We can see that price is respecting our 618 right here. That was gonna be a humble buy. So take a buy right there. Right there. As you can see, price is crazy, another higher high. We're gonna take a buy, draw a fib right there. Didn't really touch any level, so we're gonna leave that alone. You see, price broke this high again. High was broken. Gonna draw a fib from the low to the high. No level was tapped really. Right, cool. No trade for us. This low was broken. As you can see, draw from here to here. No zone was touched here really, so it's a matter of just being patient. So this high was broken. As you can see, we're gonna draw a fib from the low to the high, and you can see our 381 was respected. We're gonna take a trade right here. As you can see, we didn't reach our take profit, but we would have closed at break even. And as you can see, this strategy does have potential. What I love about this strategy is the high risk to reward ratio. It definitely will put you ahead. But yeah, try it out by yourself. Let me know what you think. Subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.